Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be covering up the topic of disjoint and overlapping sets. You'll be able to represent disjoint sets on Venn diagrams and how to represent overlapping sets on Venn diagrams as well. And we'll also be looking at a few examples and solving them. What are disjoint sets? Disjoint sets are basically sets that have no common elements between them. So, set A or set B would not have an overlapping or sharing or common element, so they become disjoint sets. Let's have a look at an example. A universal set, for example, is a set of whole numbers to 10. So from 0 to 10, you list down the elements, set A being a set of even numbers. The elements naturally become 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Set B being a set of odd numbers could be listed down with the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And in order to represent them on a Venn diagram, as you can see, set A and set B, if you compare the elements, they do not have any common elements. So on a Venn diagram, set A and set B are both drawn apart from one another within the universal diagram. Let's have a look at another example. The universal sets. The universal set has the element -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Set A having the elements -1, +1, +2. Set B having the elements -3, 0, and 3. However, if you compare the elements between set A and set B, you see that there are no common elements. So therefore, this is an example of a disjoint set, and set A and B are drawn apart from one another. Now, moving on to overlapping sets, these are sets that have at least one common element between them. Let's have a look at an example. Universal set is a set of natural numbers less than 10. So the elements are listed from 1 till 9. Set A being multiples of 3, so the elements naturally become 3, 6, and 9. Set B being prime numbers to 9 has the elements 2, 3, 5, and 7. In order to represent them on a Venn diagram, compare the elements between set A and set B and look at the elements that are common between the two sets. As you can see, element 3 is highlighted in the red color and is the only common element between the two sets. So therefore, set A and set B are drawn with an overlapping intersection between the two sets, and 3 is listed in between or in the center of the two Venn diagrams. Let's have a look at another example. Universal set containing the elements ranging from -5 all the way to +5. Set A having the elements -2, +2, +3, and +5. And set B having the elements -3, -1, 0, +2, and +5. If you compare the elements between the two sets, the two elements that are common between the two sets are +2 and +5. So therefore, this becomes an example of overlapping sets. And the way an overlapping set is drawn is basically drawing the two circles together, shading an intersectional space between the two sets. And the two common elements are listed within the centermost space or the intersectional space. Thank you so much, and we hope you understand what disjoint and overlapping sets are.